Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block users from installing software on your Windows 10 PC. So friends, to block users, firstly click on Start and type REGEDIT. Now open Registry Editor. Now friends, in here we need to expand HK local machine, then software. Now in here we need to expand classes, this one. Now navigate msi.packages, this one. So expand it and click on default icon. Now friends, click on it and click on modify. So friends, as we can see, validate this address. So 0 means allow. So if you want to stop and block users to install, so make 1. Then click OK. So make sure 1 will block installing software and 0 means allow installing software. So 0 means anyone can install software and 1 means nobody can install software. So as your choice, click OK. Now restart your PC. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method, we can block users to install software on your Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update, and friends, please comment this video work for you or not.